Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your language or region on the Ikea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the third option. Now scroll down till you find the language and region section. Tap on it. Now you should tap on the country if you would like to change it for anything that you want, and then you can also select the language. If you want to end this process and save the changes, all you have to do is clicking on the button update in the middle of the screen. Then tap on the button yes change, so now it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.